You say good morning, Wally? He's gonna be 1 tomorrow. Yay, birthday puppy! Today I'm just doing a quick update on what's growing in the vegetable portion of the yard. It's Memorial Day weekend. I don't know if you can see the swarm up there. I don't think you can. But this is a sweet almond bush. And it's massive. And it's feeding all the pollinators in the yard. So the biggest change is the melon plant, or vines? Plant vines, whatever. This container had cantaloupe and honeydew melons on it, plus some, well, those things over there. And then we had some in here, and we had just tried some peas in a little seed over here. But I'm not sure what was going on, but the melons all got eaten or cracked somehow. They had consistent water flow to them thanks to my automatic watering system here that I just checked, so I don't think that there was any change in water levels. My beans are starting to grow, which is pretty exciting. I tried eating one of them just off of the bush and it was okay. This tasted a little extra healthy, so maybe I'll just steam them quickly. But I have a lot of them in here, so I have to Google online how to tell when they're ready to cook. But I think these are pretty close. They're supposed to be yellow, and they're yellow, so I'll dry those soon. Wally got a haircut. It was super hot. Unfortunately, Mr. Stripey here is, I don't know, not sure what's going on. He got nice and big and tall, but never put out any tomatoes, which is really disappointing. Because I really wanted those cool tomatoes. I might try to put some new ones in. And this one never made it any further, so not sure if I'll buy that one again, or maybe it has something to do with when I put it in. I don't know. But we got beans and a Wally, and rosemary and basil, which were just transplants. These peppers, I don't know if you remember seeing previously, they were all put at the same time. Still not sure why this one never grew more than like an inch or two. But we got a lot of peppers starting to come in here. I don't know if you could see them. So this one has a lot of flowers. So this pepper is doing good. The pepper over here is still doing amazing. I just picked like maybe 4 or 5 red cubanelli peppers. So that's great. Unfortunately, our squash and zucchini died. But it's alright because I put in this golden bush summer scallop squash seedling here because I'm really excited. I've never really started a lot from seed successfully, but these say you just put them straight in the ground. So they just got put in a couple days ago, so there just still be a bit. Cover the peppers. I ripped this rose plant out that died, and I just happened to have some bulbs. I already forgot which bulbs I put in there. I'll know when they come back up. The tall, skinny ones. Anyways, those are there. Sweet potatoes are doing great in here. Probably need to put another layer of dirt on just to seal up the top. But otherwise, they're doing good. Hey, Willie. And what I'm really excited about are my tomatoes. They're starting to come in on this side. I had a lemon boy, but I let him sit too long by accident, and something started to drill into it. So, not the plant's fault, my fault. But look at these. Beautiful tomatoes coming in. These are going to be the sweet 100s. And I'll probably get a good 100 of them, I think. I really want to get one of the taller earth box, what do you call them? Trellises that go into the earth box. Because this is only a 5-foot one, and obviously my plants are way taller than that. I think they make them in 7-foot, and I want to say 9-foot. I'm not really sure how they're going to get into the 9-foot one, but I'll try. And then my towers, I need to redo them, but it's hot. It's 96. But what I'm starting to do is these strawberries that I purchased that are more like the Juneberry ones, as they've been sitting off runners, I've been trying to put them into other pockets, which this one hasn't really sent off any runners yet. But some of the ones over here did. Like this one, he sent off some runners. So I'm trying to like clear out the next one, or like here, this one got bumped and brought down to here. So like this was one of the summer ones, so we put that one here, and then this one grew another one, so we just put it into this one, and I ripped the spring one out. Same thing up here. I'm just trying to like kind of slowly replant this with strawberries only. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I really want to turn one of these into like a swallowtail butterfly one, but or butterfly food one, but it takes time. It takes time. But I'm still pulling out all the old dead ones here, and you know, I'm still finding some strawberries. Here's a strawberry. He looks good. I'll leave him out, get some sun for him today. But yeah, I mean, they're doing great. Even the ones that aren't technically the summer strawberries, I still got strawberries here. They're great. Looks like I got one here that's a little over. It's fine. Toss that to be decomposted. But yeah, that is it for the food update over Memorial Day weekend. It's very hot here, so we have to be careful with what we're planting, but pretty pleased with what we've got so far. Send more updates soon when I have them. Thanks for watching.